If you're seeing Todoist Error 502, also known as Bad Gateway, don't worry just yet. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what this error means and how to fix it step by step without risking your unsynced tasks or making the problem worse. This is a super common issue, and it usually happens when Todoist's edge servers or load balancers can't properly communicate with the back-end servers. So before you start clearing everything on your browser, follow these safe steps first. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is wait for a minute or two and then refresh the page properly. A lot of people immediately clear their browser cache, but that can be a mistake because if Todoist hasn't finished syncing, you could lose recent changes or unsaved task updates. Instead, give it about 1 to 2 minutes, then do a force refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus R. This reloads the page without relying on a normal cached version, and it often clears up a temporary connection issue. If Todoist still shows the 502 error after refreshing, the next step is to check the official Todoist status page. This is important because sometimes the issue is not on your device at all. It could be an active outage on Todoist's side, and if that's the case, there's nothing you need to fix locally. Open the Todoist status dashboard and look for any reports about degraded performance, outages, or ongoing incidents. If the service is down, the best solution is usually to wait until Todoist resolves it on their end. But if the status page says everything is operational and you're still getting the error, move on to the next test. Open an Incognito window in your browser and sign into the Todoist web app there. This step helps you figure out whether the issue is caused by your current browser session. If Todoist works in incognito mode, that usually means one of two things is happening. Either a browser extension is interfering with the site, or your session cookie is corrupted. In that case, try disabling extensions one by one, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or security extensions, and then reload Todoist again. If needed, you can also sign out and sign back in to create a fresh session. If Todoist still fails in incognito mode, then the problem is more likely related to Todoist itself or a broader network issue rather than your browser settings. At that point, you can try another browser or another device just to confirm whether it's isolated to one setup. The key thing here is to troubleshoot safely and in the right order. Wait, refresh, check the status page, then test incognito. That gives you the best chance of fixing Todoist error 502 without losing data or wasting time on steps you don't need. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple fix videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.